All right, shifting focus to news back home, and this is a developing story that we're reporting on of the ED mounting heat on former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Bagel's son, Chaitanya. ED raids underway in 15 locations in Chhattisgarh. Heat on Bagel's son over liquor scam laundering charges. Congress calls these raids witch hunt and vendetta politics.
ईडी के अधिकारियों ने कांग्रेस के नेता और पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री आदरणीय भूपेश बघेल जी के यहाँ छापेमारी की है, ऐसी खबर आ रही है। तो मुझे ये खबर कुछ नई नहीं लगती, क्योंकि ईडी की आदत हो चुकी है कि जब उनके पास कोई मुद्दा नहीं बचता तो कांग्रेस के बड़े नेताओं को टारगेट कर, उन्हें चिन्हित कर, उन्हें परेशान करने का काम ईडी करती है। मैं दावा करता हूं कि हमारी सरकार के दौरान ऐसी कोई भी घटना नहीं हुई जिससे पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री जी के घर पर कुछ मिले। उन्हें सीबीआई के केस में भूपेश बघेल जी को बरी किया गया, उसकी खींच कहीं ना कहीं ये मुझे दिख रही है कि ईडी के अधिकारी आज 14 ठिकानों में और भूपेश बघेल जी के घर समेत पहुंच रहे हैं। और इसके साथ साथ ये कुल मिलाकर के एक राजनीतिक षड्यंत्र और पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा है जो ईडी स्टैब्लिश करना चाहती है जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी हमसे लड़ने में असफल होती है तब।
I'm going straight across to my colleague Munish Pandey this morning, getting in more details on that story. Munish, what is this particular case about? Talk to us a little about the other 15 locations also that are getting raided.
Well, Sneha, the Enforcement Directorate in the year 2022, they lodged a case in connection with 2100 crore liquor scam. At that point of time, ED claimed that they have evidence to prove that there was a massive loss to the exchequer, to the state government because of the policy, the policy which was brought in by then Congress government. ED then conducted raids at several premises. The principal secretary of then Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, he was also questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. There were several key individuals who were arrested by the ED as far as the investigation is concerned. Now, at this point of time, we have been given to understand is that the ED recently uncovered some evidence linking the liquor scam to Bhupesh Bagel's son Chaitanya Baghel, and that is why, based on the evidence, at this point of time, ED is conducting raids not only at the premises linked to Chaitanya Baghel, but also we have been given to understand is that there are several key individuals, associates of Chaitanya Baghel, some middlemen and some private individuals. They are being searched by the ED. There is a high possibility that in coming days Chaitanya Baghel will be questioned by the ED. But as far as this entire case is concerned, Sneha, there will be a far-reaching political implications also, because the Congress will leave no stone unturned to claim that this is nothing but a political vendetta by the Bharatiya Janata Party. But as far as ED is concerned, they are claiming that based on evidence they are conducting these searches.
All right, Munish, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Munish Pandey getting in those details this morning. In fact, we have a reaction from Congress's Pramod Tiwari as well. Listen in.
पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री छत्तीसगढ़ के भूपेश बघेल, उनके बेटे के घर पे ईडी की छापेमारी हो रही है।
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूं कि अगर राजनीतिक स्कोर सेटल करना है तो खोल दो अपनी सारी एजेंसियां। उनको किसी न किसी रूप में बिना सबूत, बिना किसी तथ्य के छापे मारे जाते हैं।
Of the Congress party talking about the fact that this is political vendetta. This is the reaction of the Congress on the raids that are undergoing. ED heat mounting on the former Chief Minister's son in Chhattisgarh.